Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Loog Nation! Hey everyone, welcome to Loog Nation. I'm Mr. Will, and today we have a holiday classic, Jingle Bells. It's the right time of year, and I thought everyone would enjoy learning how to play that song on the Loog. Let's dive right into it. So we have 3 chords that we're going to play in this song. They are both in the verse and the chorus, and as you saw from the intro, you play a verse and a chorus with this song, which is wonderful. So we're going to play our G chord, which is this. Notice I'm using my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. And then we're going to play a C chord. You know this from other songs. We're playing our 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. There you go. And now we have a new chord today. It's a 7 chord. It's kind of a fun bluesy chord. It's a D7. It's a very leading chord, as we say as musicians. We're leading into the G. Right, sounds good together. The D that we've played before in other songs, like Three Little Birds, it's kind of inverted. It's almost like a isosceles triangle. We're playing the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Our 1st finger is where the C chord finger is. 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret. And then our ring finger, our 3rd finger, is on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Just one step down from that G. That's a sound check for you. That's our D7. So that's our newer chord today. G, C, D7, and we go back to G to finish. So this song, as I said before, has 2 parts, a verse and a chorus. Let's dive right into the chorus, because that's what everybody wants to learn anyway, right? Jingle bells, jingle bells. All right, so we're going to play our G chord. And then we're going to play our C chord. And then we're going to play our G chord. And then we're going to play a D7. And you could practice changing your chords just like that. A G. A C. Back to G. And D7. Changing chords is probably one of the most challenging parts of learning any stringed instrument. So this is a great exercise, just to go from G to C, back to G, and then D7. And it'll fit like this. We have jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. It is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. So as you noticed, I put up the strums and the chord changes. We have a certain kind of cadence or pattern of the chords. Jingle bells. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G 4 times. Oh, what fun. That's just one time. Back to G. It is to ride. another 4 beats on a 1 horse open. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 D7s, and that repeats. Jingle bells. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. C, G. 1 horse open sleigh. Did you see the difference there? Yeah, on that second time through, I'm only playing the D7 one time, or one bar. 1 horse open sleigh. So there's our cadence for the chorus. Go ahead and watch this part a few times if you need to get the cadence down. All right, let's move on to the verse. So the verse, we have dashing through the snow in a 1 horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. As you saw there, those chords are the same, but we're playing them different amounts of times and in a different order. Let's go through that a little bit slower. So we have G to start off, dashing through the snow in a 1 horse open sleigh. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 2, 3, 4. Laughing all the way. You can tell that the verse we play 2 times, that whole phrase. And then we lead into the chorus. Let's talk the whole thing through, just so we can put it all together, okay? All right, here we go. Dashing through the snow in a 1 horse open sleigh. There's the C, stay on C, in the no, D7. Jingle bells, good. Jingle bells, yeah. Jingle all the way. Nice. Oh, what fun. Back to G, good. And a D7, and repeat. Jingle bells, nice. Jingle all the way. Yes. C. G, good. Here's the change. Yeah, nice job. The verse into the chorus. And if you know more verses, by all means, we can go back after the chorus and repeat again, and you can play till your heart is full. All right, great. If you're a real beginner and just want to strum the chords, you can strum and sing, right? Dashing through the snow on a 1 horse open sleigh, right? Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. That works great just to strum as you sing. Perfect strumming choice. I was using quarter notes to keep the time and keep the beat. And the one that I was playing at the beginning of the song was kind of like a 2-step or a country backbeat, right? So what am I doing there? A couple of things. I'm strumming down and then down up real fast. So I'm going 1 and up, 1 and up. Yeah, that's pretty fast. Down, down, up. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. It's pretty fun. You get that clip-clop feel like you're actually on a horse and riding on a sleigh, right? I guess that's kind of what it sounds like. Yeah, clip-clop, 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 clip-clop. So that's a great way to play it as well. I wanted to give you those 3 options as you're learning Jingle Bells, especially if you're learning for the first time, or if you're a parent and you want to have a more challenging strumming pattern to play. It's really fun to work on that down, down, up strum. Well, there you have it, Jingle Bells with multiple strums and the full chord and cadence of the verse and chorus. Oh, I hope you all have a great holiday season, and we've got more videos coming at you in the new year, so thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with a friend. I love being able to share Loog Nation with you and the whole community, and it's so wonderful to have you supporting this channel. Thank you so much. We're here for you every week on Thursday, so we'll see you next time with another video, okay? All right. See you soon.